In this video, we will learn how to do it on TikTok. So let's begin.
So to make Duet on TikTok app, what you have to do is just go and open your TikTok app. The process is same for Android as well as iOS users, so there is no worry. So just go and open your TikTok app and follow my process. So here first you have to search the video or the user you want to make a duet with. For example, for myself, I am going to make duet with this user. Just go and open the video of that user you want to make duet with on your home screen. Once it is here, what you have to do is just go and tap on the share icon that is fourth from the top at the right. So just go and tap on this share icon. Once you tap on this share icon, here you would see a duet option. So in some of the cases you might not see a duet option. In that case, the user of that video has disabled the duet option with someone else, or it may be limited to just friends. So once you are here, just go and tap on this duet option, that is second at the bottom. Tap on it and the video will start loading on your TikTok app. So just go and wait for it. It all depends upon your internet connections. So just go and wait for this video loading to be complete, and once it is complete, it will just go and open your camera. So just go and wait for it to wait for the process to complete. It will take a bit of a time, so just go and wait patiently. So here it is. So you can see it has opened my camera. You can flip the camera from the top. So I'm not an artist, I'm not going to have anything here. So I would just go and tell you the process to complete the duet. And here what you have to do is you can just go and select any of the effect you want. So here are all the effects you have. So once you're here, just go and tap on this video and press it. So you can see that it has successfully started. So here you can see the duet has been made. You can see the process. So you can just go and edit it from here like a normal video, and here just go and tap on next, and here you can just go and insert any hashtag and see who can see your video, whether it is public or private or something else. And here you can just go and share the video, and here just go you can save it as a draft or just go and post it. I'm just going to post now, and now it will start uploading. So just go and wait for the process to complete. You can see the process is being shown here on the top left corner. So just go and wait for the process to complete. After that you will see that it is being shown on your account and you have successfully made the duet. So hope by doing so your issue will be resolved, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.